going? Wherever the trail leads you.
Well, the wind's coming this way.
Yeah, so either way you're gonna get a headwind.
Yeah, I was thinking of going that way.
Yeah.
Down to Coeur.
Cataldo? Yeah, yeah. No, it's a nice ride. It's beautiful. I think you'll enjoy it. Hey, you guys. Morning. Morning.
Good morning.
Yay.
Yes.
Another beautiful day at
morning.
Tater TOT 2021. And we've got a respectable showing here of trikes. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Morning, everybody. How is everybody doing today?
Doing great.
Good. You too? And we got Dave here. Morning. What you got cooking up, Dave?
We got, Triking is actually cooking his own
yes.
breakfast. We got those egg puffs like what they used to have in the hotel. And we got large sausages.
Nice. I'm going to order
And
some
a
up.
dancing boy there.
Fantastic. Great. Thanks for doing this.
Thank you.
All right, you guys. Good morning from Tater TOT. Actually, this is the official first day, Sunday morning. Come on, Myrtle. Let's go. And there's a big biking event going on in the parking lot next door where I am actually camped. And a lot of races are setting up. So they're probably going to pass us in just a little bit. But I'm with Larry. Hi, Larry.
Hello, Sylvia.
And I can't
Going.
remember your name.
I'm Roger.
Roger. Very good. And we got racers coming up behind us. All right, you guys. Good luck.
I'm getting to the bottom, but I look up and I see one coming.
So there goes racers headed up to the course. So I think that what they're doing goes up into the hills, up into the mountain. And once they get to the start of the course, they'll be timed. And here comes somebody on his way down. They're definitely taking their time getting there. If I could keep up with them, they're not exactly racing. Go, Roger. So we've caught up to a couple of trikers on the trail. Good. How are you doing?
Pretty well.
All right.
Considering.
There's lots to consider. Lori.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah.
And your puppy's name?
That's Panda.
Panda?
Mm-hmm.
Panda.
That's Dave.
Very nice. Lori and Dave.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Fantastic.
Cool.
Yeah. And I have 0 miles of range. So while we're stopped at the bathroom, I'm going to switch out my batteries. But my battery should be dying any moment now. Wallace, Idaho. It's a really sweet touristic town that I'm sure we'll be going through on the way back. And we've got some bathrooms. All right, so we've had a little break. Used the bathroom, switched out my battery. So now I've got full power. Can probably see that. And we're heading back to the trail. It looks like Some people waited for us. Very nice. I think I need to put my helmet on better. Back on the trail to Coeur d'Alene. So, thanks you guys. Thanks for waiting. And Critter too.
Okay. You in a hurry, are you? Hey, what are you watch for? You're on his pause. I don't know why it's paused. How's my workout? I gotta resume.
Hey Roger.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Did you find the bush along the way?
Yes, we did. And the speed demon, Lonnie. All right, so we're at the trailhead at Mullan, almost the end of the trail, the Coeur d'Alene, and we've met up with a big group from Tater TOT. This is kind of the first day for most everybody arriving, and the group I'm with, there's 5 or 6 of us, and we're going to continue on to the end of the trail and maybe go a little bit further on the road to where there's a mine. So we'll see. We'll see what we end up doing. See you later, Greg. Bye, John. Free time. All right, so we have changed our mind yet again, and we are just turning around at the Mullan trailhead, and we just said, you know what? It's enough. Let's go back. And I think we're talking about having some lunch in Wallace. We know a bunch of people are at the brew pub, so maybe we'll be able to meet up with them. And the way back is very fast. It's like 3% grade going back down. So we'll be able to get some speed going here very, very soon. Take off the trail here. This is the road that we take to do Dobson Pass. We'll probably be doing that in a few days. Whoever wants to ride up and down or back around to the Trail of Coeur d'Alene. City Limits Brew Pub. We have a lot of different beers on tap. We got a gaggle of trikes over here parked.